When we select Save as options in Calc, which information will ask in dialog box? File name. Location where the file is to be saved. Both A and B. None. In Calc, most common commands present in which bar? Title bar. Formatting toolbar. Standard toolbar. None. By which menu toolbar can be turned off and on? View menu. Insert menu. Tools menu. Help menu. In LibreOffice Calc, which options are available on standard toolbar? Font name, font size, font color. New, open, save, print. Bold, italic, underline. Left, center, right, justify. How can we calculate the total of values entered in a worksheet of column? By manual entry, by auto sum, by formula, all of above. What is the correct way to enter a function in Calc? Directly typing function name in a cell. Using function wizard or selecting from toolbar. Both A and B. None. A function should start with an equals sign equals, alphabets, a number, a colon, smiley face. How many axes are present in charts of LibreOffice Calc? 2, 3, 4, 5. Which of the following are the features of spreadsheet software? Instant messaging, address book, antivirus, mailing list, video editing, screen recording, 3D animation, live streaming. Forms, data analysis, conditional format. Which of the following is not a part of the chart? Chart area, firewall settings, data label, chart title.
हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आज के इस वीडियो में हम ट्रिपल सी के कुछ ऐसे एमसीक्यूएस लेकर आए हैं जो आपकी तैयारी को और बेहतर बनाएंगे। ये सारे सवाल एंकी डेक फॉर्मेट में उपलब्ध हैं ताकि आप बार बार तेजी से रिवाइज कर सकें। अगर आप पहली बार ये वीडियो देख रहे हैं और एंकी एप्लीकेशन के बारे में जानना चाहते हैं तो डिस्क्रिप्शन जरूर पढ़ें, वहां आपको पूरी जानकारी मिलेगी। अगर आपको ये क्वेश्चन सेट पसंद आता है और आप इसे खरीदना चाहते हैं तो हमें टेलीग्राम चैनल 8xe MCQs पर कॉन्टैक्ट करें। और अगर आपको किसी सवाल या जवाब में कोई गलती लगे तो कृपया कमेंट सेक्शन में टाइम स्टैम्प के साथ लिखें। साथ ही कमेंट सेक्शन जरूर चेक करें, हो सकता है वहां पहले से सुधार दिया गया हो। हर हफ्ते हम नए एमसीक्यू लाते हैं, तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना न भूलें। चलिए शुरू करते हैं।
Which chart is similar to bar chart? Column chart, pie chart, line chart, none. Which of the following is a table option? Merge cells, split tables, all of above. Shortcut key to apply currency format with 2 decimal places in LibreOffice Calc. Control plus Shift plus $. Control plus Shift plus N. Control plus Shift plus %. Control plus Shift plus hash. In LibreOffice Calc, in which menu is the Merge Cell command available? Format, Sheet, Style, Table. If a variable is missing from the formula, then error message displayed. 511, 510, 576, 590. LibreOffice Calc, which one of the following is a valid choice under the option Freeze Cells? Freeze current column, freeze current row, both A and B, freeze current cell. Which one of the following shortcut key in LibreOffice Calc will extend the selection of cells rightward, I, E? Adjacent cells in right direction of the currently selected cells will also get selected. Control plus spacebar, Shift plus spacebar, Shift plus. Which of the following shortcut keys will be used to go to the left of the cell in LibreOffice Calc? Tab, Shift, Alt plus Tab, Shift plus Tab. Which of the following answer will be given by dividing any number by 0, div 0? Hashtag div 0, hashtag div 0, 0. What will be the value of equals quotient 5, 2, 2, 4, 6, 8? What will be the value of equals product 2, sum 5, 7 in LibreOffice Calc? 20, 24, 30, 35. Where is the commenting option in LibreOffice Calc? File, Edit, Format, Insert. What will be the value of the formula, equals 25 32 16 asterisk 2? 25, nota. Hashtag div, 0. Which of the following chart is present in LibreOffice Calc? Bubble, circle, balloon, hollow. What do you call the process of restricting the display of records in a table to those matching a particular criterion? Filtering, restricting, sorting, sifting. What is an intersection of a row and a column? Form, cursor, cell, record. In a spreadsheet, letters are used to represent cells, rows, columns, blocks. Spreadsheets cannot do calculations, create graphics, plot graphs, plot charts. In LibreOffice Calc, a function should start with alphabet equals number %. What is the minimum zoom in LibreOffice Calc? 5%, 20%, 15%, 25%. Which is the most common limitation in LibreOffice Calc? Error checking, the trap of fixed values, lack of documentation, operators in formulas. Blank, underscore is the value of equals round 175, minus 2. 200, 100, 0, none of these. What is the file extension to save calc spreadsheet? .odds, .odl, .xlx, .odc. In LibreOffice, which of the following is used as spreadsheet software? Math, Calc, Writer, Customized software. A formula start with which symbol in LibreOffice Calc? $, at, equals, none of these. How many spreadsheets create new calc by default? 3, 4, 1, 2. Which key is used to open the Format Cells dialog in LibreOffice? Ctrl plus L, Ctrl plus Shift plus 1, Ctrl plus T, Ctrl plus 1. Which one of the following is zero division error? #div 0, #div 0, #d 0, #d 0. How many total chart types are available in LibreOffice Calc? 8, 12, 14, 10. What is the shortcut key to delete a cell in LibreOffice Calc? Ctrl plus C, Ctrl plus plus, delete, Ctrl plus. Which error code indicates a missing equals sign in a formula in Calc? 511, 508, 510, 509. Which statement is not true about the flip action in LibreOffice Calc? Flipping a selection converts it into a floating selection. Flip horizontal flips the left side to the right side. Flip horizontal flips the right to the left side. Flip vertical flips the top to the What is the shortcut to trace dependence in LibreOffice Calc? Shift plus F2, Shift plus F5, Shift plus F3, Control plus F9. which is not a valid step in the chart wizard in LibreOffice Calc. Data series, chart elements, chart type. What is the shortcut to activate the extension manager in LibreOffice Calc? Ctrl+E, Ctrl+Alt+E, Ctrl+Shift+E, Ctrl+F9. LibreOffice Calc does not support remote saving to which of the following? Google Drive, OneDrive, IBM Lotus Notes, FTP. Which is not a valid option under Arrange in LibreOffice Calc? Bring to front, send to back, send to front, forward 1. What is the file extension used to save a spreadsheet in LibreOffice Calc? .odds, .oat, .odd, .odd. LibreOffice Calc does not provide a wizard for which of the following? Letter, fax, agenda, email. Which is not a valid style in LibreOffice Calc? Heading 1, good, bad, poor. Conditional formatting in LibreOffice Calc can be based on which of the following? Date, formula, cell value, all of the above. What is the shortcut key for automatic spell check in LibreOffice Calc? Shift+F7, Control+F7, Shift+F9, Control+F9. Which option allows access to database fields in a document? Add database, add table, add relation, exchange database. A spreadsheet file can be digitally signed using a certificate of which standard? BY.502, BY.503, BY.510, BY.509. Which is not a valid formatting mark in LibreOffice Calc? Non-breaking space, non-breaking hyphen, word joiner, sentence joiner. What is the shortcut key to exit LibreOffice? Ctrl+E, Ctrl+W, Ctrl+T, Ctrl+Q. In LibreOffice Calc, comments can be edited, shown, deleted, all of the above. Which of the following toolbars is not provided by LibreOffice Calc? Media playback, 3D settings, painting, drawing. Spreadsheet file can be emailed as in LibreOffice Calc as Open Document, Microsoft Excel, PDF, all the above. Which of the following combination of column and row of a cell in a LibreOffice Calc spreadsheet is called blank, cell reference, cell identify, cell across, cell identification number? What will be the output of equals 100 minus 10 halves in LibreOffice Calc, minus 5, 5, 25, 50? Which of the following function is used to display current date and time in LibreOffice Calc? Date, now, time. Any expression that begins with an equals is treated as function, formula, graph, chart. In a LibreOffice Calc, absolute cell reference can be represented as A3, $3 Australian dollars, 3 Australian dollars, 3 Australian dollars. The active cell is M10. If you press the Enter key, then you will reach at N10, M11, M9, M12. Extension of LibreOffice Calc file is .odds, .xls, .odex, .txt. When you conduct a what-if analysis, you will change specific values to see the impact of these changes on the results. What is the term for the values you will change? Prediction values, variable cell, what-if values, target value. How many sheets are there by default in LibreOffice Calc? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many charts types are there in LibreOffice Calc? 8, 10, 12, 14. How many rows and columns are there in LibreOffice Calc? 1024 rows and 1,048,576 columns. 10,000 rows and 32,000 columns. 1,048,576 rows and 6. What is the shortcut key for cell edit mode? Control plus F12, F2, Control plus 1, Control plus F1. Which menu is the Goal Seek option in LibreOffice Calc? Insert, Data, Tools, View. What will be the result of equals A1 plus A2? If sheet is empty, i.e., no value present in A1 and A2, 10, 0, 5, 15. What is the last column name in Calc? XFD or AMJ? AJM or XFD? MDJ or AJX? None of these. Control plus Shift plus F9 is the shortcut key. Recalculated formulas in all sheets. Update chart. Open styles. Create a document template. Which of the following is not a database function? DGET, DAGGREGATE, DSUM, DCount. Shortcut key to increase font size in LibreOffice Calc. Control plus, Control plus, Control plus, Control plus. Spell check shortcut key. F5, Shift plus F5, F7, Shift plus F7. What will be the value of equals round 14,243.2567 minus 2? 14,000, 14,200, 14,300, 14,243.25. ______ chart is best suited to represent the overall structure in proportion of different components. Line, pie, bar, column. Which is not an alignment type in LibreOffice Calc? Left, right, center, justify. Which chart is not available in chart menu in LibreOffice Calc? Line chart, pie chart, bar chart, square chart. By default, how many menus are present in LibreOffice Calc? 11, 12, 13, 10. What is the purpose of formulas in LibreOffice Calc? To create charts and graphs. To format cells. To perform calculations and manipulate data. To insert images. What is a cell reference in LibreOffice Calc? A unique identifier for each cell in the spreadsheet. A function used to format cells. A hyperlink to another cell or document. A shortcut key for accessing cells. Which feature in LibreOffice Calc allows users to apply predefined formatting to cells based on specific conditions? Autofiller, conditional formatting, pivot tables, data validation. What is the purpose of the autofiller feature in LibreOffice Calc? To apply predefined formatting to cells based on specific conditions. To perform complex calculations and data analysis. To filter and display only the rows that meet specific criteria. What is the purpose of data validation in LibreOffice Calc? To perform calculations and manipulate data. To check for errors in the spreadsheet. To filter and display specific rows of data. To restrict the type of data that can be entered into cells. Which feature in LibreOffice Calc allows users to create dynamic tables for analyzing and summarizing large datasets? Autofiller, conditional formatting, pivot tables, data validation. What is the shortcut to paste special in Calc? Control plus Shift plus V. Control plus V. Control plus C. STRL plus Shift plus S. What is the use of filter in Calc? See only specific data, arrange data, copy data, making chart. Which of these is a correct formula? Equals sum J14, J16. Equals sum J14, J16, sum J14, J16, J14 plus J15 plus J16. What is the default alignment of numeric cell data? Left, right, center, justified. What is the shortcut key to open Format Cell option dialog box? Control plus F, Control plus D, Control plus L, Control plus 1. In Libre spreadsheet, rows are labeled as underscore 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 underscore. A, B, C, 1, 2, 3, A1, B1, C1, 1A, 1B, 1C. What is shortcut key to enter current date in a cell in Libre spreadsheet? Control plus, Alt plus D, Control plus, Control plus. Maximum number of rows in a Libre spreadsheet is 1,048,576, 16,348, 1,084,576, 1,024,590. The calc blank function counts matching records in a database using criteria and an optional field. Dcount, DCOUNTA, DSUM, sum. Which option is used to restrict scrolling of row and column? Pause, stop, freeze, scroll off. Blank uses filter criteria from specified cells. Autofiller, advanced filter, standard, sorting. The DSUM function is a built-in function in Calc that is categorized as a blank function. Logical, database, statistical, financial. Which shortcut is used for printing the sheet? Control plus P, Control plus Shift plus P, Alt plus P, Control plus Alt plus P. What is the file extension of Libre spreadsheet document? ODF, ODF, odds, OBT. What is the intersection of a column and a row on a worksheet called? Column, value, address, cell. If we want to arrange data in ascending or descending order, which option should be chosen? Filter, sort, list, arrange. The shortcut key Ctrl+H is used to underscore blank. Open Find dialog box. Open Find and Replace dialog box. Font dialog box. Format dialog box. The cell reference for a range of cells that starts in cell C1 and goes over to column H and down to row 10 is C110H, C1, H10, C1, H10, C1, H10.
थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग। मेहनत करते रहिए और सीखते रहिए। मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो में। तब तक के लिए गुड बाय।